Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Today, I have a 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 RST. RST package comes with color matching bumpers, mirrors, and door handles, so you do have the black on black effect with the black paint and the black wheels. It is gorgeous. You come inside and you again have black cloth interior. You have amazing Bose stereo system, power locks and windows and mirrors. The new interior for the half tons. So you have a 13.4 inch display with Google built in, so you have maps, a backup camera, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is wireless with the wireless charger, of course, and Google built in, so you have Assistant, Play Store. You have the trailering app because it has the trailer package along with the integrated brake controller. Come down here, you have some lane keep assist and departure, your auto start and stop, which you can turn off, hence free tailgate down, dual climate control, heated seats. My favorite push start. My favorite part of the new interior is the center gear shift console. I love that. Come over here and you have Bluetooth, audio settings, cruise control, heated steering wheel, gap adjustment, and this is the 12.3 inch all digital customizable cluster with 4 different customizable layouts. 4-wheel drive, auto lights. I mean, this thing is nice. It's nice. And it's clean. It is a 22, and it does have 1,500 miles, but you still have the remaining factory warranty. This thing is still brand new. It's not broken in yet. You have remote start, and like I said, there's a button in there. You have hands-free tailgate where just press the button and it comes down the remote and inside, and it's a light tailgate, so it's easy to put up. Premium dual tips for your dual exhaust. Sounds amazing. Don't know if you'll be able to hear it. And this thing will not last long. RSTs for the color matching trims, everybody loves it. It just looks good. It's mean. 5.3 is a popular engine, so this thing will not last long. So if you're interested, call, text me. Let's talk numbers and make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Wait till the end of the video to get all my contact information, or it will be down in the description. Phone number, website, social media links. If you're looking for something else besides this, SUV, car, truck, I have a lot full of used and new vehicles. So go to our social media links, keep an eye out, website, keep an eye on inventory. It's always changing. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.